Piedmont Community College, they make change super easy with courses ranging from 4 weeks to a year. You can get on the path to a new career starting in January. And today we have Dr. Mark Little, the Department Chair for Computer and Industrial Technologies at South Piedmont, and a student, Cameron McManus. Welcome to the show, both of you. So thrilled that you're with us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is so exciting. I want to start with you, Dr. Little. Tell me about some of the programs that you have at South Piedmont.
Absolutely. Our short-term courses include areas such as digital media, information technology, business, healthcare, education, construction and manufacturing, and public safety. It's quite an extensive list. We have many more career paths that can be completed in less than a year. Successfully completing an accelerated program at South Piedmont prepares students to apply for and secure jobs in some of the most sought-after fields. These are fields that are currently hiring and are in demand. These are incredible and affordable opportunities, especially for those who may be earning minimum wage or working a job that may be in jeopardy due to the long-term impacts of the COVID pandemic.
You just mentioned it, people who are looking for a new path, people maybe who are making minimum wage. What kind of advice would you give those folks who are looking for that new path?
Okay. Well, let me share an example with you. Let's say you know someone who likes to work with their hands. They like to make things, or they're good at fixing things. If that person entered an SPCC program like, say, construction or welding or machining, within 10 months, they could complete a program of study and be working in their chosen profession in a job making $40,000 a year with benefits and with job security.
Wow, that's amazing. And that could certainly change someone's life. What if someone is watching and maybe they don't know what skill set they have yet, or maybe they don't know what they want to do? What should they do?
South Piedmont has advisors that can help students figure out their career path. Many of our advisors started off in the same boat as our students and have gone on to get their degrees and to find their passions. Because of this, they are better able to understand and help others who are going through those same struggles. We also have services that help students learn skills like writing and communicating, which can put them above other job candidates. In addition, we can help students understand their interests and passions in new ways through our various assessment tools that can help match a student's interest with jobs and career paths that they may never have thought about. With all of these tools and guidance, we can help anyone find where they fit.
Now, I know that you have helped Cameron find where she fits. She is a student. Now, tell me, Cameron, you're a medical assisting student. Talk to me about your experience at South Piedmont.
Well, I started my experience at South Piedmont right out of high school. I didn't really know what I wanted to do. I've always known I want to be in healthcare, just wasn't really sure where. So after talking to one of the advisors, he directed me in the way of medical assisting. It's a 2-semester program, so it's really nice and convenient. I actually finish up next week, so I'm super excited. And me, as well as the other girls in the program this fall, have actually all secured jobs, so it's nice finishing a program and having that security of a job out of school.
That's enormous. Congratulations. I'm so excited for you. Tell me what you'll be doing as a medical assistant.
So I will be working on a doctor's office. Medical assistant's main job is just to assist the provider. We focus on patient care. We bring the patient back. We get the vitals. We do immunizations. Anything that deals with the patient, that's us. Medical assistants make anywhere from $15 to $24 an hour. And because many of the classes at South Piedmont go hand in hand with the nursing program, you can go back to school and not feel like you're starting completely over. So I think that that's really nice. And medical assisting has been really good for me.
That is so exciting. And Dr. Little, I want to ask you, for folks who are watching, who maybe are later in their path, they're not like Cameron starting right out of high school, what advice would you give them? Can they work and go to school? What's the best option?
Well, there are several ways. For someone like Cameron, she started her journey at SPCC right out of high school. She was prepared to jump right in and continue her education. But for so many others who have gone from, say, high school directly into the workforce, they may now be ready for a change and are looking for more. The hardest part for them is taking the first step to make a change. Anytime you go back to school, it can be challenging. You worry about how to fit school into an already busy schedule, whether you will be able to be successful, the cost. But at South Piedmont, we really removed those barriers for our students. Many of our courses are offered on nights and weekends, offering flexibility for working adults. We have many scholarship opportunities for students which can put an education within their reach. And in some cases, students are eligible to attend for free with our Anson Advantage Scholarship, as well as our Alex Kale Scholarship. We're really trying to remove all of the barriers to get students into better jobs. My advice to your viewers is to not let fear of the unknown prevent you from bettering your life through education. Let SPCC help you find a new path to a new career and new opportunities in the new year.
You are changing lives. Dr. Little, Cameron, thank you so much for joining us. And folks out there, if you would like more information about the Career in a Year program at South Piedmont, just visit spcc.edu. Thanks, everybody.